New at 5 o'clock, the number of measles cases in the U.S. is now the highest number on record since the disease was declared eliminated back in 2000. That's according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And tonight, Sacramento public health officials have confirmed a third measles case in the county. They say this latest one is connected to two others that were first reported yesterday, and the patients are all in the same family who recently traveled abroad. So at the state capitol today, hundreds of parents and activists rallied against a new vaccination bill. Lawmakers say Senate Bill 276 cracks down on the number of doctors giving vaccination exemptions. Some parents are opposed to the bill, saying it infringes on their right. Fox 40's Doug Johnson spoke with both sides. He joins us now live at the Capitol with the story. Doug.
And Nikki, I want you to take a look at just how big a group we're talking about here. This is the group that opposes this bill. They say that the bill really narrows it narrows down on the number of exemptions. They say it's too narrow. But meanwhile, lawmakers who support this bill, they say that it's a matter of public health.
10 days after she got her MMR vaccine and she was hospitalized at Chalk Hospital.
Christina Mecklenburg claims last year her daughter Hayden woke up cross-eyed just 5 days after receiving an MMR vaccination. She says Hayden's pediatric neuro-ophthalmologist said she had a post-live virus injury.
And moving forward, she recommended for her no longer get any more live virus vaccinations or else the same thing would happen again.
But if Senate Bill 276 passes, Hayden's vaccination exemption would no longer be decided by just her doctor.
Submit a request to the California Department of Public Health. And the Department of Public Health would apply evidence-based standards to accept or reject that exemption.
State Senator Dr. Richard Pan says the bill is aimed at cracking down on parents seeking doctors to issue what he calls fake vaccination exemptions.
That there were doctors who are out advertising medical exemptions. Medical exemptions have actually more than tripled.
Urge your support.
Today, during a Senate Health Committee hearing on the bill, a few hundred doctors and pediatricians spoke in support of SB 276. With the number of people speaking against the bill,
I oppose tyranny, so naturally I would oppose this bill.
Was close to 1,000, including parents, grandparents, and a few doctors and nurses. Mecklenburg fears what the bill can mean for Hayden.
If this bill does pass, then she no longer will be able to go to school and she'll have to get vaccinated in order for her to go to school.
But Senator Pan says some schools have exemption rates as high as 50%. And that creates an environment where an outbreak is highly likely.
But the real problem is that we have schools that are no longer safe because they have so many medical exemptions, they cannot protect the children who attend that school from an outbreak of disease.
Yeah, back out here live, you're taking a live look at this rally, and this is a rally against that Senate bill. A lot of these folks do not want to have their kids vaccinated. They are proudly saying they are not going to have their kids vaccinated. And again, they say it is their public right to go to public schools. Coming up at 6 o'clock, you're going to hear a lot more from this group, from other people in this group, and some of their reasoning behind being against this bill. For now, we're live at the state capitol. Doug Johnson, Fox 40 News.
Doug, thank you. Other measles cases have been confirmed here in Northern California. At least 10 cases are in Butte County alone, 3 in Placer County, and 1 in Tehama County. And for a full map of all the cases in Northern California, just head to our website, fox40.com. You can also download our free Fox 40 app. Once there, search measles.